Okay, so this is section 1.2, and in question number 1a, it is saying classify each function as a power function, root function, polynomial, which is state its degree. So if it is polynomial, then we also need to state its degree, and if it is a rational trigonometric function or exponential or logarithmic. Okay, so let's look at this function. So it is saying log to the base 4x. So as soon as you see log, then it is a logarithmic function, so it is this one. So question number 1b, so it is root but with the 5 power, and then there is under x. Okay, so this is a root, so we can do root function. Okay, so question number C, we have this expression. So we have polynomial function in numerator and also polynomial function in denominator. In numerator we have the power 3, and in denominator we have the power 2, but it is in a divide state, so that's why it is a rational function, because there is a division between that. But in this question number D, we can see it is a polynomial function, because there is a base and then there is a constant, and then the highest degree is 2, so it is a polynomial function of degree 2. Okay, so let me reveal the answer. You can see this is a polynomial function and a rational function, but but this one is logarithmic and then a root function. Okay, so here we have question number E. So it has 5 to the power t, so it is only one expression and then it has a power, so this is an exponential function. Okay, and now for question number F, we have this expression which is a trigonometric expression, so it is a trigonometric function. Okay, so I'll move to question number 2. If you have any confusion, you can always comment down below. Less than 0.5. Okay, so let's add. So here is a 0.5. Okay, and then 0.25 is somewhere around here, so this is our coordinate, but these two graphs are not passing through this coordinate, only blue is passing through that coordinate, so it is, so blue is h, so for this h is our answer. Now let's do same for this. So if we add 1, then all of them will pass through 1, but if we add 2, so let's say x is 2, and then y has to be a significantly larger amount, 2 to the power 5, which is 32. So let's see 32, so let's try to plug in. So here is a 2, and then this graph is up to 2 or -2, so 32 is difficult for us to determine, so let's add 0.5 in this case also. So let's do 0.5, or we can also do -0.5, because some of the graph are going downwards, so let's do -0.5. so x has a power of 5, so this will be a negative value. So if you calculate -0.5 to the power 5, then it will give something a lot less than 0.5 in negative value, because it has the odd number. Okay, so it will be a negative value. So let's see, so if we add 0.5 here, the negative will be in downward direction. So this red color, the f, is our graph for x to the power 5, and the remaining one is blue color. So if we add 0.5 in the value of x, then the 0.5 to the power 8 is some value which is a positive value. Okay, which means in upward direction. So blue is our answer for number C, which is H. I mean G, the green, because blue was already that. So green and red is remaining. Red is F, which is B, and then Z is number C. Okay, so I'll also reveal the answer. Okay. Okay, so this is question number 3, similar to previous question, but here are more graphs. So it is saying y is 3, y equals to 3x. Okay, so the first one, the easier one, let's plug in x equals 0, and then let's see what is the value of y. So in this case it is 0, and then let's see what's in this case. So y equals to 3 to the power 0, so in this case it is 1. so it will be 0 comma 1 is the coordinate. Now in this case also there will be 0 comma 0, because 0 to the power 3 is also 0, and in this case is also same, 0 to the under the cubic root is also 0. Okay, so all of them are 0, but this one is 0 and 1. So let's see. So 1 2 3, so all three of them are passing through 0 comma 0, but this blue line is passing through 0 comma 1. Okay, so number B, so we found out the answer for number B. I'll erase it so you can see. So number B will be this one, which is small f. Now let's look for number A and others. So we added 0 comma 0, and then we have coordinates up to 0.3. So let's add up to 0.3 and then see how it goes. So y equals to 3 and then 1. Okay, so y is equals to 3, so the coordinate is 1 comma 3. So let's plot here. So 1 comma 3. Okay, so here is 1 and then here is 3. So looks like both blue and green are intersecting, but blue is already done, so the green is only remaining 1. So green is the answer for number A, and green is capital Z. Okay, so capital Z is the answer for number A. Now for number C also let's add 1. So it will be y equals to 1 to the power 3, which is same 1. So let's plot. So the coordinate is 1 comma 1. So let's plot 1 comma 1 and see. So here is 1 and then here is also 1. So this is the coordinate, and both black and red are passing from that, so it's not that helpful for us. So now let's plot x equals to 2 and then see how it goes. So y equals to x 2 to the power 3, so y is equals to 8. So if you put 2, then y will be 8. So black and so black means small z, yeah, so black and red is remaining. So if we put 2, then it will be 8, which is in this side, but black is clearly not passing through that direction, so through this point, so black is eliminated. Now so red is capital F, so capital F and small z are remaining. So for this it is not small z, so it should be capital F, because small z is not passing through that direction, so it is capital F. And for this cubic root it is small z, because it is the only remaining one, and we can also plot and see. So let's do y equals to cubic root and then 2. Okay, so in this case it will be 2 and then 1 over 3, so these both are same. Okay, it is equivalent to this. Now 1 over 3 will be a third of 1, so it will be 0.333. so 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so anything to the power 0 is 1. Now so if we don't use calculator, then we can estimate it this way. So 2 to the power 0.333 will be a value greater than 1, but not that much significant. So let's plot in here. So if we do 2, then it will be greater than 1, but not that much significant, so it will be somewhere around here. It will not go here, which is capital F, which is a significant, which will be a significant number. So that way also we can find out small z is this expression, which is x to the under the cubic root. Okay, so this is small z. Now I'll reveal the answers. So this is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, and this is also correct. Okay, so if you have any question, you can comment down below. I'll move to question number 4. Okay, so this is question number 4, and I believe it is the most easiest one of this chapter. So for this, you all you need to know is a formula, which is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so where x and y are the coordinate of the graph, and then m is the slope, okay, and c is the y-intercept, C-I-N-T-E-R-C-E-P-T. Okay, so c is the y-intercept, m is the slope, and then x and y are the coordinate. So we just need to compare this equation with this. So in this case, f is equals to y, okay, and then m is equals to 9/5, and then c is equals to or not c, yeah, c. So c is equals to 32, okay. So so f is y, and then m means slope, so slope is 9/5, and then y is f, and then y intercept, which is f intercept, so f intercept will be 32. So you just need to add 9/5 in here, so enter 9/5, and then here f intercept is 32. Okay, so I'll also reveal the answer. So it is 9/5 and 32. So that's all for this unit. Thank you.